Is there a speed limit for raising ducks? Welcome to Lifestyle Stalkers. In this video you will learn more about raising ducks. From all animals on farm, ducks are probably the easiest to take care of. That is, if you have the basic knowledge for raising ducks. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Ducks, like raising chickens for meat, can be a full-time specialized business requiring efficiency. The growing commercial market for duck meat is linked with the increasing population. Duck meat generally commands a good price, well above the price received for chicken. The meat is marketed as fresh, frozen and chilled products, either whole or in parts. There are problems associated with keeping ducks for egg production on a large scale because of the low egg numbers, high feed consumption and the need to house ducks in small numbers. The main egg-laying breeds of ducks can lay more and larger eggs than hens, but ducks eat about 75% more feed. Speaking of feed, check out our video description to see our top choices for duck feeds. Since they eat more, most farmers concentrate on meat production instead. Ducks rearing is being promoted to small community farmers as means of sustainable livelihood development. There are also a few smaller family farms that have ducks grown for them on contracted farms, as well as operators who are involved in all the aspects of production and plugging. That includes the direct sales. Basic duck care. Ducks are raised under a wide variety of conditions, ranging from backyard coop for a few ducks to housing for large flocks on commercial duck farms. Regardless of the category of duck keeping, certain basic requirements must be met if ducks are to remain healthy. This video series is intended to educate about duck farming in regard to meet these basic requirements. Ducks adapt well to a wide range of systems of care provided they receive essential basic care. Except for the early brooding stage, when ducklings require higher temperature and special attention by the farmer, the basic requirements of ducks are outlined in these guides. Duck care standards. The environment that ducks are kept in must be designed to promote duck well-being and protect ducks from discomfort and distress. Ducks are known to be strong birds. They are not affected easily by some bird diseases, not like turkeys or chickens. However, you still need to practice proper care. Choosing what breed you want to keep is important. There are duck breeds that are more suited for a particular purpose, like providing meat or giving eggs. We hope this simple duck farming guide will give you a head start in your new venture. How to handle your ducks. The most important thing to know about duck raising is how to handle them. The legs and wings of a duck can easily be hurt or even broken, so never grab a duck by the legs or the wings. To catch a duck, grasp it firmly but gently at the base of the neck. Do you want to continue to learn about raising ducks? Check our video description to see the next parts. Check our recent clips as well here in Lifestyle Stalkers. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.